In this video, I want to share with you how to use the camera tool on your Microsoft Excel to pull in data that you want from one place to another. So this camera tool is very important, and when you look at it, the first step actually is to try to enable the camera tool. Then we'll explain the various steps on how to take in or pull out data from a sheet, for example. So let's start by coming over at the top here. It's called the quick access bar. Okay, so you can just come over here and you click on this small arrow that says customize quick access toolbar. Okay, so you just click on it and you can see all sort of things enabled already, but then you want to bring in more commands from this. You want to bring in more commands, so you just click on more commands and you can come over here and you can see a bunch of things already listed over here. But these are popular commands, but you want to see, let's say we want to see all commands, and you can just from here just keep dragging until you reach to letter C, and you can see camera over here. Okay, and you can see the camera icon over here. You just select it and you click on add, and it adds to the quick access toolbar. Okay, so you can just click on OK and you can see it enabled over here. Now this looks like a camera, but it's not really a camera. So you see some of the key things it can do on your data. Okay, so assuming I have these cost estimates. Okay, so let's say we want to take in from excavation from items A, B, C. We want to take the details and then merge it with item J, K, L, M, N. Okay, so we want to take this and then add them together and see what happens. Okay, we want to add them on a fresh page. So assuming I come to a fresh page, I created a fresh single page and I want to go back there. So what we need to do if we want to take in these items, okay, item ABC. Okay, let's say we take item ABC with the cost estimates, and we can just select it. Once you select it, you can click on the camera icon and then you can come to the new sheet and you can just come over here and paste it. Okay, you click here and it's there. Okay, you can see it has just brought in that item ABC. Now we want to join this with the last part of the estimate, so we can come back again and we can go straight all the way down to J, K, L, M, and N, and we can select them. Okay, and we want to say we want to add all this, so we'll come to the camera, we'll click, and then we can come to sheet 1 and we'll paste it here. We'll click here and it's there. Okay, so we can easily come over and join the two, and you can see them looking kind of professional and you like it. Okay, so over here at this point you can easily just decide to say you want to print this feature. Okay, you want to print this selection, this very selection. At this point you can just come to file and you can come to print, or you could do Ctrl P and you can see a sample of the preview of it. Or to make it looks kind of better and professional, you can change the orientation of the paper from portrait to landscape, and you can see it has captured virtually everything. And you can print this document maybe directly using different kind of printing options. You can even use Wondershare to print it as a PDF, or you can do Nitro PDF printing also over here, or you can do Phantom PDF printing, and it's going to print this as a digital copy of it using PDF. Okay, in PDF. So it's up to you to choose. But then one last thing that you need to know about this camera option is that it is really a camera, but it's not. It's really a screenshot, but it's not really a screenshot, because when we go back to the real data, for example, this is we go back to the first items ABC, and for example this is 300,000, and we can change it. Maybe I change it to 100. Okay, so let's see what happens. It's going to update automatic on the other one, and you can see it has just updated it from 300,000 to 100. Okay, so same way it goes to the bottom ones. Maybe if we change something from walls here, maybe I change it to engines. Okay, from walls to engines, and notice how it's going to change in the other ones also. So this is a screen capture. It's not really a screenshot. It's a screen capture that pulls in the data live as it is from the Excel sheet and rearrange it in another place. Okay, and once you update, it's going to update also accordingly, including any graph that you've copied. It's going to update accordingly, and you can just from here proceed to print, and you can have your data the way you put it the updated version. So this is just a bit on how to use this very camera icon or camera option in your Excel sheet. Feel free to try it and see what you can do with it and how it can help you access your document, access your data, and treat your data in the most professional way, because sometimes you may need to have this very feature, this bottom and the top part of this document, and you may not be able to have it except if you screenshot it and make it separately as an image, which is not going to be professional in cases when you have edited the content and you need to update it on the main screenshot. Okay, so this is a bit about it. Feel free to try it on your Microsoft Excel. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.